Announcement. Tipra Motha is officially in presence of all our senior leaders, MDCs, also with Vijay Ramphalji, Manav, Vishwajit Koloy, Guru Padda, Anthony, and all our young friends who have just joined in from Akisa, who have merged with us, and our youth leaders. We are happy to announce that from today onwards, we will have a youth frontal organization under the banner Youth Tipra Federation, YTF. This youth front will be not only in Agartala, but will be in every district of Tripura, will be in every block, village of Tripura. This is a youth organization. This will also be not only restricted to the state of Tripura, but will also have its units anywhere in India where there are Tiprasas living. And this Youth Tipra Federation, YTF, according to me, will be the backbone of all our movements, be it of Greater Tipra land, be it of NRC, be it of Citizenship Amendment Act. It will also be the backbone for our next generation. So I am giving this organization my full commitment, my full support, and I believe that it is only with the youth that our future generation can be secure. At one time, there was a young man who took it upon himself to ensure that every Tiprasa got education. That young man was jailed several times. He never gave up. And today, he is sitting right next to me. Ideology has to happen when we are young. Our ideology is not to hate anyone. Our ideology is not to discriminate any community. Our ideology is not to be against any religion. Our ideology is for Greater Tipra land. And I believe that till the time we do not compromise on it, we will be successful. The day we dilute it for personal positions, we will no longer be acceptable to our people or to even ourselves. I am very happy to announce that the first president of YTF will be the MDC, Runil Devarma, and the working president is also here, Pitor Kayum. He will also be there along with the central executive body, along with general secretaries, along with all those who have remained loyal to us and all those who believe in our ideology. Many people may say that they may have been against us. How are you accepting them today? Let me tell this to all my supporters. Let me tell this to all my critics. Somebody may have criticized me. Pitor may have said something against me in social media. But at that time, he was a party member of another organization and they were told to take a party position against me. But being a Gobagra, it is in my mentality, it is in my psychology to forget and forgive. And the ideology is bigger than even my own survival. So, it is very important for me to not only give people who have been close to me some chance, but to everyone. We have to give everyone opportunity. So I am very happy that Pitor and his entire team have come and joined. They will be accommodated. They will be given respectable positions. And our commitment is for Greater Tipra land. If there is any